Wow, what an absolutely beautiful pixie. This one features a nice shaggy pixie style. I really like the texture that the stylist did here within the cutting. This is such a cute and modern hairstyle idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So it looks like we have someone here who also wants to go short. The stylist places the hair in a ponytail and begins to cut. Oh wow, he's going very short with this one. So he ends up doing this really pretty pixie bob haircut or asymmetrical pixie look. Oh, this is beautiful. Very cute hairstyle. And I really like that tapered nape area that he did as well. Now, if you guys are feeling inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So it looks like we have someone back in the salon for a cut refresh. Shaven sides and back. Ooh, gorgeous pixie style. Very nice. Looks like he did do some color too. Beautiful transformation. Next up, we see one of my favorite hairstylists. So let's see what she ends up doing with this makeover. She brings the hair to the back and begins to cut. Oh, a gorgeous layered shoulder length bob. She does go back in and do a little bit more cutting. This is beautiful. I love the fullness within the layers. It really adds a lot of shape and just texture to the more traditional bob look. Oh wow, she even did a little bit of a flip. This is beautiful. Very nice. So much volume within that bob. So it looks like we have someone here who wants a mini bob makeover. That's a very popular hair trend right now. Places the hair in 2 ponytails and begins to cut. Oh, gorgeous. And her bob comes just around or ends just around the jawline. I love the way that the color looks within her cut. So pretty. All right, you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations with me today. I'm going to leave you guys with this one last video of that pixie bob style. If you did enjoy this one, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.